Gateway drugs. Do you remember when we were kids learning about gateway drugs? I'm Julie Elstrup, Leadership Accelerator for Women, and I just had a conversation with some amazing women in a workshop that I led. And we were talking about when we were kids, we learned about gateway drugs. So I'm going to share a little bit more about that in a moment. Make sure you stay tuned till the end because this part of the video series, as you may notice, I am filming somewhere different and I'm going to show you around the place where I am. I taught this workshop in Sitges, Spain, which is just outside of Barcelona. And if you want to hear about some incredible self-leadership, some awesome women, again, stay tuned till the end. So we were talking about when we were kids, we learned about what at the time were called gateway drugs, and we should not use gateway drugs. That was, they were drugs that led to other worse drug problems. This was in the 80s. And so my husband and I are pescatarian, which means we do not eat meat or chicken, pork, anything like that. And we do, however, eat fish. And my husband enjoys, some of the meat alternatives, and we call them gateway meat because, they're kind of like meat. Well, during this workshop today, I talked about this practice that I teach. I teach proven practices and success strategies in my Leadership Accelerator for Women that really helps women get to where they are from where they want to be more quickly, with more grace, more ease, and having a life and a business that you love. We use proven practices and success strategies. So I was talking about what is this gateway practice? This gateway practice is the practice of gratitude. Now, there are so many ways to express and to live in gratitude. And today we had some big ahas at our workshop. So if you are interested, I'm going to be teaching a workshop very soon. There's a link below, and I would love to have you join me so you can learn about the gateway practice of gratitude. And it's not just any gratitude practice, it is a gratitude practice that is life-changing. I'm going to share with you a little bit about my journey, my leadership journey. I've been in leadership, studying leadership, sharing proven practices for all my life. All my life I've been a leader. I love to elevate women so that, we also can elevate men. We can elevate each other. And one of the things that I had on my list of things that I wanted for myself, for my business, for my life, was to be living in Spain for a month, which I'm doing. And right now, like I said, I am in Sitges, which is outside of Barcelona. And I also wanted to be working here. And several weeks ago, I got a message in one of the communities that I'm in. The long and the short story is that I was invited to teach a workshop here in Spain. So I'm working and living and leading my very most incredible life. And I'd love to share that with you as part of Leadership Accelerator for Women. It's a gratitude practice that is probably different than something that you've tried before or that maybe you've used in the past. My arm's getting tired, so sorry about holding that up. And if you are interested, I would love for you to comment, love for you to attend the workshop. Like I said, there's a link. I'm also offering complimentary clarity calls so you can really get clear about living and creating a life that you love, a life that is exactly how you want to live, exactly how you want to show up in the world. And we can do that in less time. I've had women accelerate their success from thinking that something was going to take 2 years, and it took 2 months for them to create. So if you are interested, again, love to have you join me. And now I'm going to give you, as promised, a 360 view of where I am right now. It is a beach town outside of Barcelona. You may know that I lived here for 6 months several years ago, and I also hosted an exchange student when my children were in high school from the Barcelona area. So here we go. I'm going to spin it around. We're moving into sun, so the light might change, but I just want to show you this beautiful, beautiful space where I got to teach a workshop to a group of amazing women. And I'm going to even show you inside the spectacular villa where we stayed. So again, the light's going to change. You are invited to subscribe, to give a thumbs up, to share this with someone that you know could benefit from starting using this gateway practice of gratitude in a new way that can help you live your very best, most amazing life. I'm Julie Alstrup. Thanks so much for joining in today.